For some shy guys, the nerves to initiate a kiss can be overwhelming, so it's often up to you to make the first move. Start by engaging in a comfortable conversation on a shared topic to help him relax, and gradually build romance through casual physical contact, like holding hands or leaning in. If he seems uncomfortable, take a step back and try again later. Once you both feel more connected, lean in slowly for a kiss, beginning with soft, gentle pecks that can escalate if he responds positively. Make sure he knows how much you like him to boost his confidence, and keep your lips looking inviting while maintaining eye contact to signal your interest. If subtle hints don't work, consider directly asking for a kiss, expressing your feelings clearly. If he remains hesitant, evaluate how much longer you're willing to wait for him to overcome his shyness.